Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic might hit close to home for all you international business hustlers out there. You've been using Airwallex to collect payments seamlessly across borders, but how do you actually get that money back into your hands? We all know the frustration of dealing with international transfers and hidden fees. Fear not, fearless entrepreneur. With a little know-how, you can navigate Airwallex withdrawals like a pro. Understanding Airwallex accounts, the key to withdrawal. Before diving into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about Airwallex accounts. Airwallex offers two main account types. Global accounts, these are fantastic for collecting payments in various currencies. Think of them as your international bank accounts. But here's the catch, you can't directly withdraw funds from a global account. Settlement accounts, this is where your magic happens. A settlement account is linked to your global account and acts as your withdrawal hub. You can hold funds in your preferred currency and then send them to your local bank account. Alright, let's get withdrawing. Now that we've got the account types figured out, here's how to actually withdraw money from Airwallex. Step 1. Transfer funds from your global account to your settlement account. Log into your Airwallex account and head to the transfer section. Click on New Transfer or look for a similar option. Select your global account as the source and your settlement account as the destination. Enter the transfer amount and choose your preferred currency. Remember, the currencies need to match for this internal transfer. Double check everything and hit confirm. Your funds should be whisked away from your global account and nestled safely in your settlement account. Easy peasy. Step 2. Initiate the withdrawal from your settlement account to your local bank. Head back to the transfer section or locate the withdrawal option. Choose New Withdrawal or a similar option. Select your settlement account as the source and your local bank account as the destination. Enter the withdrawal amount and ensure the currencies match. Review the details, including any transfer fees, we'll get to those in a sec, and hit confirm. And voila! Your hard-earned cash is on its way to your local bank account. Just sit back, relax, and get ready to conquer the global market with that sweet revenue. Pro tip, mastering those transfer fees. Airwallex, like most financial platforms, has transfer fees. But fear not, there are ways to minimize the sting. Transfer amount, larger transfers typically come with lower fees per dollar transferred. Transfer method, sometimes slower transfer methods, like bank transfers, have lower fees compared to faster options. Currency conversion, converting currencies within Airwallex might incur additional fees. Consider transferring funds in the same currency you received them to avoid this. Staying on top of your withdrawal game, a few final tips. Verification is key. Make sure your Airwallex account and your local bank account are fully verified to avoid delays. Review those limits. Airwallex might have withdrawal limits in place, so check before initiating a transfer. Patience is a virtue. International transfers can take a few business days, so plan accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep that global cash flow flowing.